Giant Lanterns. Ball is up and we are underway.
Paeng-Are at si Jeff Viernes eh. Oo eh. Parang ito yung future eh.
Oh, Baltazar opens the scoring 2-0 and wala. Baltazar, the kick out to Archie.
Yeah, to his left.
Concepcion with a runner.
You know, unlimited to si Archie once he put that
Justin Baltazar against Jason Ballesteros. The kick out. Viernes, yes!
He will not miss 3 in a row.
Is out of the equation and no more surprises. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Siyempre, natural tendencies. Quezon City on the board. Egilos, the one-hander is good.
See how easy basket na nakukuha ng Lanterns compared.
They will get whatever they want.
Oh.
Are.
There
Yes.
you go. Great response.
Ibayan providing the pick. Bounce pass.
Good pass.
And libre si Abdul Sawat.
Oh, alam mo yun, trabahuin mo na nila.
Tessa, the one-hander, won't work. Baltazar puts it in for 2.
It's too long. Too long. Too strong and too...
Minute remaining in the first quarter. Rayson, umatake. Rayson with a dipsy-do.
And when he has that basketball and decided to score, skill sets nila.
Ballers eh.
Ballers, exactly.
Santos. Nice shot there from Ronan Santos. This end of the first quarter is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first round. Rayson, crossover. Rayson out of control. Able to release to Alcoriza. Layup is in.
Challenging Jason Ballesteros.
Time on the shot clock. Garcia. Gozo from the corner. Yes, sir.
Money.
Here, Garcia. Libre si Alcoriza for 3. Wala.
There's
Gozo.
Again.
Yes.
And you know, ito yung isang aspect ng game.
Justin Baltazar swings it over to Viernes. Concepcion for 3. Yes, sir.
A great response off that timeout. You know,
Tibayan to Roman. Fires a 3.
finally.
Sumabay pa tayo.
Oo.
Tibayan lost the handle. Roman will fire and score. Halftime scores brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first.
Baka mas maging madali sa kanila yung ganitong 5 playing for Pampanga.
Miguel Corteza with that push shot.
Oo.
The possession for QC.
Oo. Alam naman natin yung rebounding ability nito ni Paeng-Are.
And Chino Mosquera knocks down the 3. Justin Baltazar.
That's too close for Justin.
Oh.
Yeah, elevate. I heard that short corner, Jay.
Mosqueda again, back-to-back 3s. So pagkatapos, Baltazar with another rebound.
Good passing.
From close range, no go, pero si Kevin Santos.
Yeah, too long, too athletic. Buti nga, hindi pa finalo of dunk ni Kevin Santos eh.
Na Mosqueda. Lumapit, Chino Mosqueda with that left-handed layup.
Oh, they just need to stick to that elevator set. Hindi pa rin ako dito sa mindset nitong Quezon City to the action. Kasi defensively, Sedel, they're just doing fine.
Abdul Sawat on the handoff. Nakabuelo, Abdul Sawat puts it in for 2. Remaining in the shot clock. Jonas Tibayan thought he had beaten Chimo Egilos.
Oo.
Abdul Sawat, yes! 7 points para kay Abdul Sawat.
Great defense by QC.
MJ Garcia, wala.
Ayun lang.
Baltazar on the putback.
And if you look at Jason Ballesteros,
Tibayan will fire. No. Baltasar gives it up to MJ. Concepcion, corner 3. That's good.
And ang pinakamabigat dito, they gonna review that if it's a landing spot.
Four-point play para kay Archie and
Ano lang, niramdam lang.
MJ Garcia. Jamo Igilos for the finish.
Now, lead now. Oh. And alam naman natin na darating sa Delph.
Yeah, tough finish galing kay Tibayan.
14 points right now.
Mike Are knocks down the jumper.
+2.
Archie Concepcion fires the 3 and will knock it down. End of 3 quarters. This third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. And syempre, first half natin dominado ng Giant Lanterns. Alcoriza will get the 2 points.
Yeah, the biggest lead itong for the Giant Lanterns.
The season with back-to-back victories. Mike Are, yes. Found. Garcia to Alcoriza. Renz.
What a
Layup.
move.
Oh. It's too strong. Yan na yung hinahanap mo.
High ni Jason, you know?
Oh, what a move. Galing kay Josa Nimes. He has that in his bag. Gets it to Roman. Steal by Binuya.
Ooh, what a pass.
Nice pass to Gosum for the 2 points.
And this guy off the bench, itong si Martin Gosum. Every time he gets inserted.
Raymond Binuya triggering this fast break of the game. Brought to you by New Star Max. Win to the max. Spinning and finding Martin Gosum for the 2 points.
Here in the Brenzigia Convention Center.
Serrano is down on the floor. Abdul Sawat, yes. But Enzo Serrano.
Oo. Yung shoulder niya.
Well, check this one out. Ano nangyari doon? Hopefully we get the replay here. There's Encho.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Oo.
Tumama siya sa kay Jason Ballesteros.
Oo. Sa hips ni Jason, which is alam mo, yung matigas na parte.
Oo. Encho Serrano. Hopefully will recover.
Nakakita ka na kasi
Binuya. Dire-diretso si Raymond Binuya. The crowd loving it.
That guy is just so fast.
Too casual with the basketball. Viernes knocks down the 3.
What?
Effortless.
Oh, effortless.
Jonathan Hesalem.
Finally, a 3 points from Hesalem. But again, they worked hard for this win. Again, it's not given. They need to earn it.
Oo.
Talagang QC talagang pinahirapan din sila nitong QC Toda Action.
Well, there was a struggle really for both teams, and it just so happened Pampanga had this guy right here, Justin Baltasar, who is our best player of the game, brought to you by Buenas. And our final score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.